Hello fellow builders, I'm Santa, your 5-minute guide to the Moralis and Google Hackathon project. Ho ho ho. I have found on the North Pole a small gift, and as you kids behave well, it is my pleasure to present it to you. Eyeseek Funding is a crowdfunding platform using Web3 to push crowdfunding experience to another level. Imagine an application like the Kickstarter, but operating on blockchain, using the technology to steroid its muscles. Running now on testnets of Polygon, BNB and Phantom, Eyeseek showcases 3 so far unexplored funding concepts. Our microfunds, inspired by Gitcoin quadratic funding, will make any backed dollar accountable. Superfluid money streams, on the other hand, could support any existing project with availability to turn it on and off, just like closing the water tap. Do not offer just empty promises. Incentivize backers by giving them in-game assets or ERC20 token to use elsewhere in the blockchain ecosystem. All guaranteed by the law of code. And what is the best? We cost your project 5 times less than Kickstarter would. So the same way I gave you this gift, you can afford to be generous to the others. You are welcome. Now, let's look under the hood and create a crowdfunding project with me. Hoo. Anyone can set up Eyeseek project in 5 simple steps. First, select which type of financing would you prefer. Standard type offers Kickstarter-like experience with a full load of blockchain functionality, recommended for visionaries making their blue boards into the reality. Streams, on the other hand, might be preferable for existing projects looking to finance long-term, continuous non-commercial effort, like charity or open-source development. Select a category and subcategory from our list so backers can find you more easily and continue to the next step. Describe briefly your project intention and do not forget to attach official references to your website and socials so backers can explore and evaluate the project in detail. Pick the blockchain where would you like to receive funding resources and enter a minimum funding goal, which is enough to establish your business. Thanks to the Moralis, we can easily store projects' metadata and manage thousands of projects across multiple blockchains. If the funding goal is not reached in a period of 30 days, all resources are returned back to original backers and we will not charge any fee from their donations. You can offer to the backers original rewards, but remember it is up to your responsibility to fulfill reward delivery. There is a way to guarantee rewards by locking blockchain assets into the project. We will get back into that later. If you provided all information correctly, congratulations. You can now create your first crowdfunding project on Polygon, BNB, or Phantom blockchain. Let's take a look from backers' perspective, how they can interact with already created projects. Discover page contains all active projects per logical categories. Let's find some interesting one and display what is inside. Project detail gets all the information from your project, both on-chain and also from Moralis database. If a backer finds project interesting, he can decide to finance it in 2 ways. Direct donation is a traditional straightforward money transfer from your blockchain wallet to the project's account managed by Eyeseek smart contract. Microfund is a unique way how to incentivize other backers, following one simple rule. If anyone after me donates with an amount, charge the same amount from my microfund to project's benefit until my microfund is depleted. This concept introduces elements of the game theory, when multiple wealthy backers would rather prefer to deploy microfunds and create more attractive environment for regular backers. As we can see, 20 other users deploy their microfunds into the project. So my $1 donation could cause a chain reaction and provides final amount of $21 to the project. Kids, Santa is slowly on departure. Let's take very briefly look what are we brewing for Christmas right now. Our on-click streams are something we are excited about the most. Would you mind to incentivize your blockchain game? Offer in-game items as rewards. It could be weapon skins, powerful swords, or a currency to buy clothes and look nice in metaverse. You deserve it. And if that's not enough, check how far we are at www.funding.eyeseek.org, or join our Discord channel. Let's shape the future of Web3 together. Ho ho hoo.